Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar, and in this video we're gonna see how to remove background of a photograph in just single click without using any software, no Adobe software, nothing, just a simple website. And the way it like remove the background, it really impressed me. Go to this URL, and it has some funny audio as well. I'm gonna like turn on them, so in one photograph, and then in one we will try to like disable it. Okay,
私が綺麗にできる写真をちょうだい。
all you need to do is pick a photograph and drag it in here.
選択をしますのでお待ちください。
So as you can see, the output is in HD quality, and you can see the output. It really amazed me how it does this thing. And
私はフレンドリーなロシアです。
let me disable this audio first, and now we will try to remove the background of any like this logo. Let's say if I want this logo like background to be transparent. So as you can see that it worked very fine, although it removed the this thing as well, but it really like very good. So I want you to use this website, and if this website helps you, then thanks me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.